baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you're making my temperature rise. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, you are like the oxygen.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to Noni M Podcast. I want us to talk about Judge Ratha from the Senzo Meyiwa murder case. Wow. What a man. Wow. Wowza. Wowza. Wowie. Wow. Yo yonkinto guys. Because wow. Umhlekazi. No, she doesn't even deserve ukubizwa umhlekazi. Umnumzana. Yo. Guys, whose father is that? Whose dad is that, guys? Please, is he married? Does he have kids? Does he have grandchildren? He is unkind. He is rude. On national television, okay? How bandla? Animtshela ngani as family members? No. Why bengamxeleli? Is he that kind of a man that is not told by anybody in his family because is he the only man who is educated in his family? You know those narcissistic people ngabobodwa who have things, who are educated, and everybody else in their entire clan is worshiping the ground they walk. Is he that kind of a man? What's happening? No. There is no way. There is no flipping way. There is no way. The way he spoke to Mshololo, the way he spoke to the whole defense, the way he spoke to Ramasipho, I do not want to talk to you. Oh! The way he was throwing his hand a million times, the way he was, when he started with, I don't know what so-and-so is going, I don't know what Stein is going to come to, and so, you must know, he knows. Oh, flip, he knows. I don't know what's wrong with my chair. Oh, you must know, he knows. I'm so cold, guys. Yo, I have never seen ikehla, elidala, elinjena. All old people are so kind, man. They are so gentle. They are understanding. They are loving. Not Urata. What kind of an opa is this? Upapa Ratha. You guys, do you want to tell me JP watches this and keeps mum? Do you want to tell me Chief Justice Zondo from last year to now over this behavior? Do you want to tell, isn't there a what of women's lawyers? Isn't there general now a what of lawyers? Black law. Nyangstressa kahle ngifuna addressa nani. Black Lawyers Association, no. That forum, no, guys, no. This is LPs don't know. Why are these people quiet? Is this the conduct of someone who has those qualifications? Nyastusa, guys. Why aren't you protecting their qualification? Because this man is out here with your qualifications, your registrations. Isn't he registered to call LPC? Didn't he brag here about being a member of Black Lawyers Forum or Associate? Yay! And then this man, you allow him to behave like this without saying anything. The least that can be done by LPC, by Black Lawyers Forum or Association, the least they can do is to voice out, we are aware of Judge Ratha's behavior in that courtroom. However, we will have legally, they must tell us something. There is no flipping way these people are going to keep quiet as if nothing is happening. This is bad. This is so, I know, even my chair is rude like him. Yeah, guys, I know we have people on social media. Ratha behaves as if he's a certain account on Twitter. He behaves as if he's a certain account on Twitter who just says whatever they like to people or about people. Ooh, Jehovah. Ikaba la account ku Twitter. What happened to that account of Periru? They must come and fetch this man. Tell us all the secrets about this man that we know nothing about. He thinks he is untouchable. Utata. Tina, you can touch us, and besides, now I have even 0 cents in my account. So, according to those standards, nobody. I am somebody in other standards. Lezo standards are when they speak about you, because to find Mara guys. Honestly, whose father is that? Whose grandparent is that? Whose father, whose husband, whose brother, whose uncle is that? Whose son is that? No, man. He disrespects people. He has no respect for people. Akanabo ubuntu at all, Judge Ratha, guys. I don't care what could be the reasons, but you do not speak to people like that. You cannot disrespect your colleague. No, because I foresee ngelinye ilanga one of them saying, listen here, sir. Listen. No, you listen. It's a pity none of them is Xhosa. It would have been raining long time ago. It would have been raining. Ebezothi makasaqala kuthiwe mfo yima uyambona la khawume thula uyezwa ngudume mkwakusati pha kuZulu Tonton kuZulu man, whatever his name, Big Zulu, ubuzombona. If bekunendoda yase Eastern Cape pha, even if ibilingana no Ndanzi, bezothi ngiyacela man, please, you don't do that. That's not how you speak. No, guys, no. Yeah, no. You do not speak to people like that. Why do I believe ukuthi bengekho ayenze lanto if bekungungcuka iThobi or bekungungu who's lona? Bani lo baba umpofu udala impofu or any other white lawyer ebengekhe mana behavior kanje uRatha ujwayelana kabi abantwana babantu. There is no way. Right. Even those guys aba represent uNandipha phayana bezo ebengekhe, he was never gonna speak to them like that. They were going to call him into order fast ahlale la emgcini. Ebengekhe, even the guys that are representing uNandipha, he was never going to speak to them like that. Never. Yes, guys, my name is so thuka. I keep getting shocked. Did this judge, is that his professional conduct, guys? Is that how a judge is supposed to behave? No, man, no. He has, I'm not a judge, but I swear he is not supposed to behave like that. Bitch, no. Hell no, this nigga is out of line. Way out of line, guys. No, something must be done about his behavior. I don't know where he needs to be reported, but those women don't organizations that deal with women abuse or violation of women's rights, and Black Lawyers Association or Black Lawyers Forum, LPC, and others, judicial, Judge Hlophe, your team. No, guys, this man is out of, he's way out of order, Judge Ratha. No, he is way out of, no ways. There is no way that a judge is supposed to behave. Yeah, you can lose your patience with lawyers and everything inside the, but level, no one disrespects him. He goes out of way and disrespect them to the core for no apparent reason. He is throwing hands. He is like pointing at the, you know what? Pissed. I don't even know Ramsipilem now. I don't even know Umgomezulu. I don't even know Umnisi. I don't even know Mmal. I don't even know Umshoro. Mara, I am pissed. It is only because of how he spoke to them. Let alone how he spoke with Ramsipilem. I'm so pissed with that. You do not speak to people like that. Now would have lost it. Hey, banama menazi laba. They are so well educated. Shemema kwabo mna law education yako khaya ngendishile emnyango ecourt before ngena ngidile nalo baba ngithi ungakhulinge. You do not address me that way. Never. Respect is a two-way street. Lo baba lo aka respect, guys. Lo baba lo aka respect. Ubana landed this man from retirement, by the way. Who? Guys, I will see you on our next video. I need to calm down because I need to do a video. But Urata. Ooh, guys, Zini. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Here to survive, I'll be on.